Okay students, so welcome you all for our straight line chapter again. So in this chapter I am going to discuss all about your straight line chapter, and you also know that already you all are promoted. You are not passed. Please remember that getting pass is different, getting promotion is different. Clear? You are getting promoted from 11th standard to 12th standard. That means you are not yet completely ready for 12th class. Please remember that you all are not yet completely ready to enter into 12th class. If you go with this mindset into the 12th class, completely you are going to lose your confidence, and you are going to lose so many number of concepts, and in 12th standard you all are going to face very big problem. Are you getting my point? So that's why please remember there are so many number of concepts that has to be known to you all before you enter into 12th class. So that's why please attend my classes every day, so where I am going to build the foundation for your 12th standard. So today I will complete this straight lines chapter, and from tomorrow I will start the foundation course. Today only I am going to start that with the straight line chapter. In this straight line chapter I am going to discuss in straight line what are the basics that we are going to use in our 12th class. Okay, so that's why this type of classes are going to be really very good. Without foundation course, if you enter into 12th standard, really you are going to get a bomb blast when you go through the chapters of 12th standard. So that's why I am going to tell, without foundation of 12th class, please don't enter into 12th class. Otherwise it is going to be a very bad effect on your future of 12th class board syllabus. So that's why I am telling, please go through all the classes which I am going to discuss from today. So here what I am going to do, in 12th standard you have 13 chapters. So for that 13 chapters, what all basics you need and what must be the foundation for that 12th standard I am going to teach. Okay, so that's why my dear students, please concentrate on the classes. Okay, so without that foundation, if you want to enter, you can enter into the 12th standard, then it is going to be very bad effect. Okay, so that's why be careful and be regular to the classes, and don't be that much happy that you all are entering into 12th standard. Without basics you can't build anything. For example, without foundation you can't construct one building. Okay, then how can you construct your 12th class or future studies without correct type of basics? So that's why please be careful. Without basics you can't do anything. So that's why I'm going to take daily the foundation course for 12th class. So please attend that. Okay, so now coming to this, that is Corona, the golden time of students. So here I am going to discuss so many number of concepts. One is some of the students are going to be tensed. One is some of the students are going to be frustrated. Some of the students are going to be confused, and most of the students are in confused status that what we have to do in this particular time. And particularly for 11th class, already you are going to directly 12th class. That means in this type of situation, how the preparation must be for your 12th class and how must be the preparation for your competitive exams, those all things I am going to discuss in this particular session. That will be 4 p.m. today. Okay, today evening 4 p.m. I am going to discuss it. Don't miss this session, because This is going to be really wonderful class. It will be motivative class as well as it will be a information class, and there will be a one beautiful story. Through that motivational story, I think you can change your gears and drive your car with wonderful speed and with some patience before entering into 12th standard. So please attend this session at 4 p.m. today evening. Okay. Now coming to the general equation of line. Clear? So yesterday we were solving our exercise 10.3, I think. So now directly I will go for general equation of line, and here I am going to take some different forms of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this all concepts are going to be very useful for your 12th standard. So here please concentrate on this. Okay. So see here, general equation of line means it is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is general equation of line. So using this general equation of line, we are going to write different forms. Of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what are the different forms? First one is slope intercept form. So I am going to discuss about your slope intercept form. So that we were discussing already. We have discussed about slope intercept form. So today also I am going to discuss on this slope intercept form, because this slope intercept form with the general equation of line we are going to represent it. So how we are going to represent, we shall see in this particular class. And next I am going to discuss about intercept form with general equation of line. Already you know what is intercept form, but now I am going to study it with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. So first you see slope intercept form. This is the general equation of line, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is general equation of line. Using this general equation of line, I am going to solve the slope intercept form. So all of you know that what is slope intercept form? Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. This is your slope intercept form, right? Or this is slope point form. So this is not slope intercept form, this is slope point form. So slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. So now this line has to be written in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Clear? So how to convert this for y equal to mx plus c? You just see. So this is our slope intercept form, that is y equal to mx plus c. Now I have to convert this equation to y equal to mx plus c. So see here what happens. Write this equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Take by here only and take these two terms to LHS. That will be minus ax minus c. And now it will be, if I take b on this side, minus a by b into x minus c by b. That means you compare it with y equal to mx plus c, and m will be minus a by b and c will be minus c by b, and c will be equal to capital C. I will write capital C will be equal to small b by b, that is minus c by b. So that means you can understand here slope is m equal to minus a by b, capital C, that is y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. These things are very, very important, because what happens, these things I will use directly in the 12th class. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if I write, whenever I am solving slope, directly I will take this formula. When I see the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, for the slope directly I will write minus a by b, because that is the formula for slope. That you can understand from this particular equation what I have solved here. So this type of things are going to make an effect on your 12th standard syllabus. So please understand that. So whenever I use minus a by b directly in your 12th standard, you will be like, some things are why you are using like these all things. But these all things are even 11th standard, where if I directly go into the 12th standard, you are not going to understand them. So that's why I am going to take a foundation course where I am going to discuss all these things in this foundation course, and I am going to build you with that particular concept which are going to be very important for your 12th standard. So as I said, attendance is going to be compulsory. So most of you are thinking that already we are over with the 11th class, so that's why so number of students, nearly 40 students are not attending today's class. And tell every student and tell your friend that each and every class of the foundation course is going to be very important, and I need the complete attendance from tomorrow in each and every class. If this is going to be the situation, anyways you have to come to the 12th standard. There again I can catch you all, and I can do what I can want to do for you. Okay, so please attend the classes. Okay, so please attend the classes, understand the foundations of 12th standard, then enter into the 12th standard. Don't come blindly to the 12th standard. Okay, so for that's why see here, these all things are very, very important. So now you see what happens. I will remove all these things and directly I will go for this equation. Already I have solved this. That is y equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b. I have proved here already. So from this you can see now m will be equal to minus a by b, and capital C will be equal to minus c by b. So that is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So therefore this m is important, that is slope, and this c is important, that is y-intercept. M is slope and C is y-intercept. Okay, so now we can go for next line, that is intercept form of the line. See again the same equation, taking ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we know that intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This I have already solved. In the previous classes. You can go through it. X by a plus y by b plus, see this line, that is a comma 0, and this is 0 comma b. By seeing at this you can remember this, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is called intercept form of the line. So using this intercept form of the line, we have solved some of the problems. Clear? So now we can go for this intercept form of the line using, okay, so see now I have to solve this in the form of intercept form of the line, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 has to be solved for this. Clear? So here you can just see ax plus by plus c will be equal to 0. So now you take ax plus by equal to minus c and divide both side by minus c. What you are going to get? Ax divided by minus c plus by divided by minus c divided by minus c. So therefore you can get x divided by minus c by a plus y divided by minus c by b equal to 1. So this is important. This is very, very important. See, using this equation, I am converting this to x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here you know that A is x-intercept, B is y-intercept. These all things you know. X is A-intercept, B is y-intercept. Okay. So now see this, it is nothing but x by small a, y by small b equal to 1. So now small a will be equal to minus c by a and small b will be equal to minus c by b. These are your formulas for x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. So whenever I am solving the theorem of plane in 3-dimensional geometry in 12th standard, please understand, whenever I am using theorems of plane in 12th standard in 3-dimensional geometry, I am going to solve intercept form of the plane in 12th standard. Okay, for that these things are very important, because if you know the intercept form of the line, then intercept form of the plane is going to be very important, and it is going to be basics for intercept form of the plane. So please remember, this is very, very important. So last step, again you can see here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that will be, take plus c on this side, minus c, divide both side by minus c, minus c will get cancelled, it will become 1. And here you take a to the denominator. Here you take a to the denominator, that will be minus c by a. Take b to the denominator, minus c by b. So therefore this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. Clear? So please understand, the same thing with plane you are going to do in 3-dimensional geometry in 12th standard. There you are going to solve slope intercept form of the plane. So for slope intercept form of the plane, you must know what is slope intercept of the line, as well as for the intercept form of the plane, you must know what is intercept form of the line. So for those all things, please understand this particular important things. I am not going to solve any problem, I am not going to solve any theorem, just I am going to talk on what are the important things for your 12th standard from your 11th standard. So that's why you can ask your 12th standard sisters or brothers who are in 12th standard. They will explain you what is slope intercept form of the plane, what is intercept form of the plane. Those all things are going to be there in your 12th standard, which are going to be very important in geometry part. So for that reason, here you have to concentrate on this particular things. Okay. So now x-intercept is minus c by a, y-intercept is minus c by b. These are the important formulas. Now let us go for distance of a point from a line. So see my dear students, very, very important concept, that is distance of a point from a plane. Distance of a point from plane. These things are very, very important for 12th class. Okay. So distance of a point from plane, it is important for your 12th standard. So that's why if you don't know the distance of a point from a line, then how can you solve this? Distance of a point from plane. So first you must know what is distance of a point from line. What happens if you solve all these things, if you solve problem on this, if you get through the exam of 11th standard, these all things you are going to practice, and these all things are going to be in your mind when you come to the 12th standard. So there what we do, directly we start distance of a point from plane by saying that you have studied this in your 11th class. But that option is now not there. We can't tell that you have studied it in 11th standard. How can we tell that without teaching those things? So that's why please understand this. Distance of a point from line is in your 11th class, and the distance of a point from plane in your 12th class. So here very important thing is, first you must know what is distance of a point from line. So that you can see here, distance of a point from line. See, distance of a point from line is given by d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Okay, so this is distance of a point from line. Now you see what will be distance of point from plane. Just you see here, it will be d equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is your 12th class formula. Okay, this is your 12th class formula. So for that you can just see where you use x1 and y1. See, where you use x1 and y1, that is 2 dimension. Here you use x1 y1 z1, that is 3 dimension. Okay, so now in 2 dimension what you have, ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is your distance of a point from line. Okay, now the same formula in the 12th standard, we write it as mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. See here, this formula is of 11th class and this formula is of 12th class. Looking at this, you can feel that how these concepts are going to have an impact on 12th class. So this much I am explaining because of one reason. Without foundation, don't enter to the 12th class. So that's why please go through the foundation courses. That is very, very important. That I am going to take from today only. I have already started. From this straight line I have already started. What is in your 11th class, what is in your 12th class, and what things you have to remember. See, one thing you please remember, I am not going to solve any problems, I am not going to solve any theorems, I am just going to build the link between 11th and 12th standard. So here in the 11th class what you have to learn, in the 12th class what you will learn, and to learn that in 12th class what you have to remember. So see here, to learn this in 12th standard, this thing is very important to remember. So please remember this, the distance of a point from line, so that we can teach you the distance of a point from plane in the 12th class. Okay, so next we can go for distance between parallel lines. Okay, same thing. Here you are going to learn as 2 dimension. The same thing you are going to learn in 3 dimension. That is distance between 2 parallel lines. Distance between 2 parallel lines. Say this, distance between 2 parallel lines. Okay, so I will write some equation here. Vector a dot vector a plus lambda times of vector b, this is a1, or vector a dot vector a2 plus lambda times of b. Or I can write it as, see here, I will write it as x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. X minus x2 by a, y minus y2 by b, z minus z2 by c. Sir, what are these all things, you can ask. For distance between 2 lines in 11th class you have this formula, that is d equal to mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square, right? So now see, this is all your 12th class syllabus. This is all your 12th class syllabus. These are the equation of lines. These are the equation of lines. What you learn equation of line in 11th class? You learn it as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. But in 12th class you learn it as vector form, that is vector a plus lambda times of vector b divided by, or you can learn it as vector r equal to vector a2 plus lambda times of b. And you also learn it as x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the equation of line. This is the equation of line. Okay. And you also learn it as x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. This is also equation of line. This is passing through 2 points and this is passing through 1 point. Okay, this is the line passing through 1 point. This is the line passing through 2 point. And here you can see this is general equation of line. General equation of line. So we teach general equation of line in 11th class. We teach general equation of line in 11th class, and we teach the equation of line passing through 1 point, the equation of line passing through 2 point in the 12th class. So first you must know what is general equation of line. That we have learnt in this class. General equation of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is your general equation of line. And the same line in the 12th class also you are going to learn, that is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. And you have to learn it as x minus x2 by a, y minus y2 by b, z minus z2 by c. Okay. So that will be in the form of x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That is the equation of line passing through 2 points. So Sneha is telling that head is spinning, sir. Okay. Not only head, your whole body will spin without foundation if you come to 12th class. So that's why please understand the very important thing is how important the basics are going to be. Without this, if you enter into the 12th class, whole body will spin. Not only your head, whole body will spin. So that's why I am telling, till yesterday my classes were in one form. That was like little bit going with small speed, very enjoyable, and it was like enjoying moments. But in the today's class you can see that I am with different type of speed motion, and my acceleration is very high than before, my velocity is very high than before. Okay, because all this happens because of the sense that it is 12th class. So when I enter into 11th class, my motion of speed, my acceleration of speed, and my velocity will be in different mode. When I enter into the 12th class, the same person will be with different acceleration, different velocity, different concepts, and different mode. Because in 11th class you see the different Pavan sir, in 12th class you see the different Pavan sir. In 12th class I concentrate on your results very more, because in 12th class what you make your results, that are not your results, that are my results. Okay, I feel that the result what you give is not your result, that is my result. I feel that I am preparing for your board exams, so that's why I catch this all acceleration, velocity and speed. But in the past classes what happens, anyways you are going to pass your 11th class, so that's why I go with some slow motion, with slow acceleration, with slow velocity, so that you can enjoy your life of the 11th class. But here you can see that already the 11th class of you is over. So now you are in 12th class. So that's why I has to catch that velocity, I has to catch that acceleration, and I has to catch that moment of 12th class. So you can ask your seniors, so that you can get some experience from your seniors words. Okay, so that's why I am telling, please concentrate on the coming classes, otherwise it will be very tough for you. So coming to the classes, you can see that, so I will remove all these things. I will remove all these things. So simply you understand here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is first PUC. Okay, the same thing will be in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, and it will be in the form of x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, z2 minus z1. This is equation of line. This is equation of line, and this is also equation of line. Okay, so see here, this is equation of line in general form. In general form, this is equation of line passing through one point. This is equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, so that's why you just remember that equation of line was ax plus by plus c equal to 0, so that I can teach you x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, and x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. These all things I can teach you. Okay, so that's why if I want to teach your 12th class syllabus of equation of line, you must know what is general equation of line in 11th class. And on the same way, the distance between two lines will be also there in your 12th class in 3 dimension. The same concept, that is distance of two parallel lines, will be there in your 12th class with 3 dimension. But here in the 11th class, you will be learning it with 2 dimension. So in 2 dimension, this is your formula. In 2 dimension, this is your formula. So I will not write the formula of 12th class. So wait and watch. Wait and watch. Okay. Of 12th class formula. Of 12th class formula. That is again the same concept, distance between two lines in 3 dimension. Wait and watch for that. Okay. Next, slope of line, all of you know, no problem, that you have already learnt in the 11th class. And same thing you are going to take in application of derivatives. I am going to use this in application of derivatives. Okay, so dy by dx. So see, I will tell one very key note, that is dy by dx. What you call in the 11th class, that is dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x, already you know. So differentiation of y with respect to x already you know, but see here, dy by dx is called as slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, that you learn in 12th class. Okay, dy by dx is nothing but slope of tangent. And you also know that slope means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Tangent means line drawn to the curve. Okay, so this is tangent and this is curve. Okay, so see that tangent is in the form of line. Tangent is in the form of line. Slope means m, slope of line, and that slope is dy by dx. That slope is dy by dx. Okay, so this is slope of tangent that you learn in the 12th class. This is the slope that you learn in the 11th class. So this is how we are going to link one to each another. So that's why you first understand slope of line, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or tan theta. Slope of tangent, that you are going to learn in 12th class. So wait and watch for that 12th class concept. So conditions for parallelism and perpendicularity, that is here m1 equal to m2, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This I am going to use in 12th class. Directly I will use these two equations. So directly I will these two equations in 12th class, that is m1 equal to m2 and m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 in the chapter application of derivatives. In the chapter application of derivatives. Clear? So that's why you already know what is the condition for parallel lines, and already you know condition for perpendicular lines, that is m1 equal to m2 and m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay. So now angle between two lines. See this, the same concept you are going to learn in 3 dimension in the 12th standard. Here your formula will be tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. But wait for the 12th class syllabus. As soon as I start in the 12th standard, I am going to teach it. So first you know what is the angle between two lines. This is in 2 dimension. This is in 2 dimension. Here we are going to learn it in 3 dimension. So your 2-dimensional geometry converts to 3-dimensional geometry in the 12th class. So there I am going to learn with all these things. So again we are going to solve angle between two lines, angle between two planes, angle between plane and line. See the same concept, angle between two line, two plane, and line and plane. Okay, this you are going to learn in 12th class. This you are going to learn in your 12th class. Clear? So that's why you already know angle between two lines. So no problem, we can continue it in your 12th class. So collinearity of 3 points, already you know. And the same thing you are going to learn as collinear vectors. The same thing you are going to learn it as collinear vectors. Vector means already you know, like this. So same thing you are going to learn it as collinear vectors in your 12th standard. So please wait and watch for that. Clear? The same condition we are going to use. Here slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. The same condition we are going to use for collinear vectors in the 12th class. Clear? And next, various forms of equation of line: point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, and normal form. So these all things will apply to your 12th class 3D. There you are going to learn intercept form of plane, intercept form of plane, and you also going to learn slope intercept, 2-point. There you are going to learn in 3 form, 3-point, and there you are going to learn again in 3 dimension. Okay, so some of these concepts, point slope form, and this will be with a 3-point you are going to learn. Slope intercept form will be not there, intercept form will be there, and normal form will be not there. Okay, so these two are important. Clear? So now, anyways, Srishti, life is going to be full of formulas. Life is going to be full of techniques. Life is going to be full of definitions, full of theoretical things. So please have some patience to learn the 12th class syllabus, and please, my dear students, start to make formulas of your trigonometry from your 11th class. Okay, 11th class trigonometry formula. Don't worry, I am going to take some special class on that in this foundation course. So I am going to tell which formulas least you have to make. Okay, so that's why you have to be very careful. Just I am telling that which concepts you are going to carry in your 12th class. I am just telling which formulas you have to carry for your 12th class, which concepts you have to carry for your 12th class, and what is the relation between 11th and 12th class. That I am teaching here. I am not teaching how to solve the formulas, I am not teaching how to solve the problems, and I am not teaching how to solve the theorems. I am not teaching anything. I am just teaching what is the relation between 11th and 12th class, what are the formulas that you have to link for the 11th and 12th class, what are the concepts that you have to learn from the 11th to 12th standard. Okay, so that's why this type of unexpected twists are going to be there in 12th class. So that's why the foundation course is going to be very, very important. So please attend those things. Okay, so I feel that all of you have got some little bit idea on this. Clear? So anyways, I am going to take all these notes for you. As the foundation course, I am going to give all these notes in the PDF form for your WhatsApp group. So you just take that, and what all I have written, you just go through it once, so that you can understand by looking at that. So this concept I am going to learn in 12th class, this concept I am going to study in 12th class, this formula I am going to use in 12th class. Okay, so by looking at that particular notes, you have to understand that. Don't worry about formulas, how to use it. Don't worry about theorems, how to solve it. Don't worry about concepts, how to remember it. I will teach them in 12th classes. Now your task is which formulas you have to carry for 12th class, which concepts you have to carry for 12th class, which theorems you have to carry for 12th class, and what concepts you have to take from 11th standard to 12th class. That is very, very important. So you do that work, that's all. That is your foundation course. Okay, so that's what I am going to teach. Don't worry, it will be very easy. It will be very easy if you do all these things. Okay, so thank you everyone. Let us meet in the tomorrow's session. Okay, so have you enjoyed this first class of your 12th class? This is your first class of your 12th standard. Have you enjoyed this? I enjoyed very much. I don't know how much of you have enjoyed this, but I enjoyed it very much. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let us meet in the tomorrow's session. So who all not subscribed, please tell them to subscribe the channel.